Imagine an unmanned aerial vehicle capable of air-to-air combat with an operational altitude of 30,000 feet. Picture it powered by an AI 322F turbofan engine, built to carry a payload capacity of 1.5 tons, with a maximum takeoff weight of 8.5 tons. Now what if I told you this isn't a figment of my imagination but a reality? Welcome to the dawn of a new era, the era of the Bayraktar Kızılelma. Developed by Bayraktar Technologies in Turkey, the Bayraktar Kızılelma is more than just a drone. It's a testament to the ingenuity and innovation that is shaping the future of unmanned aviation. This fighter UAV, or unmanned aerial vehicle, is designed for a variety of missions such as strategic offensives, close air support, and missile strikes. It's not just an object that flies, it's a dynamic tool for modern warfare. What sets the Kızılelma apart is its capability for air-to-air combat. Unlike many of its counterparts, it can engage in battles in the sky, making it a formidable force in the realm of aerial warfare. With a cruise speed of Mach 0.6 and a maximum speed of Mach 0.9, it's not just fast, it's a force to be reckoned with. The development of the Bayraktar Kızılelma marks a significant milestone in Turkey's drone technology development. In fact, since 2009, Turkey has been a key player in the drone technology field, with the Kızılelma being the pièce de résistance of their efforts. It's not just a win for Bayraktar Technologies or Turkey, but for the global drone industry as a whole, setting new standards and pushing boundaries of what's possible. This is the Bayraktar Kızılelma, a game-changer in the world of unmanned aerial vehicles, a marvel of modern engineering, a testament to human innovation, and a glimpse into the future of warfare. As we move forward, the Kızılelma stands as a beacon of progress, heralding a new era of drone technology. Its development is not just a story of technological advancement, but a narrative of human tenacity, vision, and the unyielding desire to push the boundaries of what is possible. The birth of the Bayraktar Kızılelma traces back to 2013. This was the year when the vision for an unmanned aerial vehicle capable of air-to-air combat was conceived by Bayraktar Technologies in Turkey. The ambitious project would be a game-changer, not just for Turkey, but for the global drone industry. From the get-go, the Bayraktar Kızılelma was designed to be more than just a surveillance drone. Its mission would include strategic offensives, close air support, and missile strikes. The dream was to create a fighter drone that could reach operational altitudes of 30,000 feet and have a combat radius of 500 nautical miles. Fast forward to 2022, and we see the dream beginning to take shape. Prototype production was initiated, painstakingly adhering to the stringent quality standards required for such high-end technology. It was a year of substantial progress, as the first flight tests were also conducted in 2022. The drone was put through rigorous trials to test its capabilities and to ensure it was ready for the challenges of combat. The Bayraktar Kızılelma is powered by an AI 322F turbofan engine, allowing it to cruise at Mach 0.6 and reach a maximum speed of Mach 0.9. It can carry a payload of 1.5 tons, which includes various munitions such as air-to-air missiles and guided bombs. The year 2024 brings with it the anticipation of mass production. The drone, having successfully completed ground and flight tests, is now poised to enter the production line. This momentous phase will not only be a testament to the technological prowess of Bayraktar Technologies, but also a significant milestone for Turkey's defense industry. The journey from conception to reality has been a remarkable one for the Bayraktar Kızılelma. From a vision in 2013 to a tangible, formidable force in 2024, the drone has been a testament to the power of innovation, determination, and technological advancement. It's been an inspiring ride, and we can't wait to see what's next. The Bayraktar Kızılelma is not just an ordinary unmanned aerial vehicle. It's a high-tech powerhouse, equipped with features that make it a formidable force in the sky. At the heart of this aerial warrior is the AI 322F turbofan engine. This powerhouse propels the Kızılelma to impressive speeds, with a cruising speed of Mach 0.6 and a maximum speed of Mach 0.9. This means this drone can move at nearly 9/10 the speed of sound, making it a swift and elusive target for adversaries. But speed is not the only arrow in Kızılelma's quiver. It boasts a combat radius of 500 nautical miles, allowing it to venture far into enemy territory and return safely. It's able to operate at an altitude of 30,000 feet, placing it well beyond the reach of most ground-based threats. Yet what truly sets the Kızılelma apart is its payload capacity. It can carry up to 1.5 tons of munitions. This includes a variety of air-to-air missiles and guided bombs, making it a versatile weapon capable of tackling a wide range of missions. Moreover, the Kızılelma's maximum takeoff weight is an impressive 8.5 tons, a testament to the drone's robust build and the power of its turbofan engine. This allows it to carry substantial amounts of fuel and munitions, increasing its endurance and combat effectiveness. The Bayraktar Kızılelma is not just a drone. It's a state-of-the-art unmanned combat aircraft designed for strategic offensives, close air support, and missile strikes. It's an aerial powerhouse, capable of delivering a decisive blow to adversaries while staying out of harm's way. In the world of unmanned aerial vehicles, the Bayraktar Kızılelma stands out. It's no ordinary drone. It's a highly sophisticated weapon system designed for the modern battlefield. It's a testament to the advancements in drone technology, showing what's possible when innovation meets military strategy. The Bayraktar Kızılelma is a powerful weapon in the sky. With its advanced features and capabilities, it's poised to revolutionize aerial warfare, shaping the future of conflicts and how they are waged. The Bayraktar Kızılelma is designed for more than just flying. Its arsenal and capabilities are tailored to the tasks that demand precision, speed, and strategic superiority. One of its primary roles is to engage in strategic offensives. The Kızılelma can soar to an operational altitude of 30,000 feet, and with a combat radius of 500 nautical miles, it can strike with precision from a safe distance. This allows it to carry out strategic attacks efficiently and effectively, making it an invaluable asset on the battlefield. But the Kızılelma's mission doesn't stop there. It's also designed for close air support. Close air support is crucial in modern warfare, where ground forces often rely on air power to turn the tide of battle. The Kızılelma, with its impressive payload capacity of 1.5 tons and a maximum takeoff weight of 8.5 tons, can deliver significant firepower to support Allied troops on the ground. This makes it a critical link between air and ground operations, adding a new dimension to the battlefield strategy. Additionally, the Kızılelma is equipped for missile strikes. With a cruise speed of Mach 0.6 and a maximum speed of Mach 0.9, it can swiftly launch missile attacks against enemy positions. Its AI-322F turbofan engine powers it to deliver various munitions, including air-to-air missiles and guided bombs. This high-speed, high-precision strike capability makes the Kızılelma a formidable force in any combat scenario. Furthermore, the Kızılelma can also execute intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. Its advanced sensors and stealth technology make it an ideal platform for gathering crucial battlefield information, providing a significant advantage in strategic planning and decision-making. In essence, the Bayraktar Kızılelma is not just an unmanned aerial vehicle, it is a versatile warrior ready to take on any mission. Whether it's launching strategic offensives, providing close air support, carrying out missile strikes, or gathering intelligence, the Kızılelma stands ready to redefine the future of warfare. The journey of the Bayraktar Kızılelma has just begun. Fast forward to the year 2024, and the drone landscape will witness a new dawn. The Bayraktar Kızılelma, Turkey's unmanned aerial vehicle, is set to enter mass production. This development signifies a significant leap for Bayraktar Technologies, the Turkish firm behind this cutting-edge drone. The Kızılelma is more than just a drone. It's a symbol of Turkey's burgeoning prowess in the drone technology arena. With its ability to perform strategic offensives, close air support, and missile strikes, this fighter UAV is a game-changer. But the ambitions of Bayraktar Technologies extend beyond Turkey's borders. The company is already planning for the Kızılelma's future, with export agreements in the pipeline. One such promising agreement is a $370 million contract with Kuwait, further extending Bayraktar's reach into the international market. This isn't just a win for Bayraktar Technologies, it's a victory for Turkey's defense industry as a whole. The Kızılelma has become the poster child of Turkey's defense exports, marking a significant milestone for the country's advancement in drone technology. Furthermore, the Kızılelma is not just about the present, it's about the future. It stands as a testament to the potential of drone technology and its role in shaping the future of warfare and defense. And with the Kızılelma paving the way, we can only imagine what innovative UAVs will emerge from Turkey in the coming years. The future is bright for the Bayraktar Kızılelma. With its advanced capabilities, strategic applications, and potential for international distribution, this drone is set to make a significant impact on the global stage. The Bayraktar Kızılelma is set to soar higher in the coming years, marking new milestones in drone technology.